Hi guys, we're launching our Gstrategy program from this week, this Monday. So in case you want to join our crash course for the CAT exam, so please call the numbers. Or you can WhatsApp to attend the demo lecture, or in case you want books, mocks, shortcuts, any of the programs. All the best. Hi guys, so today I want to take you to this 5 celebrities list we don't know had an MBA degree. Even trust me, or even I was surprised to see that. Men's XP magazine have published this list of 5 people. So let's go through that. So number 1 in the list is John Ibrahim. See, most of the time actors are all 10th pass, 12th pass and all these things. We have heard about them, hear about them. But the former actor and model completed his graduation from the Jai Hind College and then earned his degree in 1998 from Narsi Monji College. So John Ibrahim is MBA from Narsi Monji College. Number 2 is Fardeen Khan. Fardeen Khan has a good Bollywood career as well. Did his MBA from the University of Massachusetts. So again, a surprise factor. Third on the list is Siddharth. Siddharth, who became famous with Rang De Basanti film. You'll be surprised to know that he did his MBA from SPJain. Shockingly, surprisingly SPJain. Yeah. Number 4 on the list is Ck Menon. Ck Menon have done his MBA from Pumba College. I never knew all this. In 1998, graduated in marketing from Pumba College. I'm in the industry for the last 10 years. I have not heard even about a single one of them in the MBA circuit. But yeah, all 4 of them are MBAs. 5 on their list is Mallika Sarabhai, the famous activist and the Indian classical dancer and theatre artist as well. Have her degree from IIM Ahmedabad, but she is not very famous celebrity. So at number 5, let me add Mani Ratnam. Mani Ratnam did his MBA from Jamnal Bajaj. So JBIMS, Pumba, Narsi Monji, SPJain. So we have the people here from the top B schools in India and have done their MBA. All the best.